What's up, all you 1969 ElCamino SS396 lovers? Look at what we got here. Dude, this thing is so nice. American racing wheels. Vents look good. Glass looks good. What do you want for it? $46,000. Wow. Let's look at this thing. Super nice interior. Wow. Center console. That's what you want. Everything came with the column shift. Gotta get the console. Nice paint. Tonneau cover. Wow. This is a clean ride right here. I look at a lot of cars and this 69 is gorgeous. Even got the black stripe down there. Almost like the Yenko stripe. Look at this steering wheel. I love the console. Love the seats. Super comfortable. Triangle window. Big block. Good motor. Ooh. You want to see some more cool ElCamino? Click the link above. Don't forget to follow. See you on the next Florida Car Show.